We will read reading selection 1.2. Title of reading selection 1.2 is Jinnah's Vision of Pakistan. Today we will complete reading and we will do glossary of the text. Second year subject English. Book for second year. Now coming to unit number 1, which is vision and mission, and we will complete reading of Jinnah's Vision of Pakistan today inshallah, which is a speech. Now coming to continuation of paragraph, page number 23. But you must remember, as I have said, that this mighty revolution that has taken place is unprecedented. Unprecedented means बेमिसाल है, बेनज़ीर है. In this paragraph, Quaid-e-Azam is talking about the separation of Pakistan and India into two states, that this revolution is unprecedented. ये एक ऐसा अमल है जिसकी मिसाल कहीं नहीं मिलती. One can quite understand the feeling that exists between the two communities, wherever one community is in majority and the other is in minority. Quaid-e-Azam is talking about the minorities and the majorities. Majority means अक्सरियत में होना, ज़्यादा तादाद में होना. Minority means अक़लियत में होना, कम तादाद में होना. One can understand the feeling that exists between the two communities wherever. So he is talking about the minority and the majority, that one can easily understand the feelings of minority and the majority, what they have. But the question is whether it was possible or practicable to act otherwise than what has been done. But the question is, सवाल ये पैदा होता है, whether it was possible or practicable to act otherwise. To act otherwise, क्या ऐसा कुछ कहा गया है या इसके बरअक्स काम करना मुमकिन था? क्या इसके बरअक्स काम करना मुमकिन था? What has been done, जो कि किया गया है. Quaid-e-Azam is trying to say that if it would not be possible that Pakistan and India would not be separated and there would be majority and minority, Muslims would be in minority and the Hindus would be in majority, what could have be the situation in that sense? So he is saying that कि इसके बरक्स काम करना मुमकिन नहीं था. So there was no way to separate these two nations, and which has to be done, it was necessary for it. A division has to take place. A division has to take place. ये तकसीम, ये बंटवारा बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी था. On both sides in Hindustan and Pakistan, there are sections of people who may not agree with it. Quaid-e-Azam is saying that it may be some section of peoples, a group of people may have in Pakistan and equally in Hindustan, who may disagree with the separation of Hindustan and Pakistan, who may not like it, but in my judgment, लेकिन मेरे फैसले के मुताबिक, there was no other solution, and I am sure the future history will record its verdict in favor of it. So Quaid-e-Azam is trying to convince people that in my judgment, मेरे फैसले के मुताबिक, there was no other solution for Hindus and Muslim minorities and the feelings what they have and the culture, the differences of culture and religion. So there was no other solution for it, and I am sure the future history will record its verdict in favor of it. Verdict means rai, and future, and he's hoping for it that in future history will record its verdict in favor of it, और फ्यूचर भी, मुस्तकबिल की तारीख़ भी मेरे इस फ़ैसले की हिमायत करेगी. एंड what is more, it will be proved by actual experience as we go on that it was the only solution of India's constitutional problem. And what is more, और मज़ीद ये कि it will be proved, ये साबित हो जाएगा with actual practice अमली तजुर्बे से ये बात साबित हो जाएगी एज वी गो ऑन दैट। जब हम आगे बढ़ेंगे तो अमली तजुर्बे से ये बात साबित हो जाएगी दैट इट वॉज़ द ओनली सोल्यूशन ऑफ इंडियंस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल प्रॉब्लम, कि ये हिंदुस्तान के आइनी मसले का वाहिद हल था। व्हाट वाज द सोली सोल्यूशन फॉर constitutional problem? The separation of two countries. Any idea of a united India could never have worked, and in my judgment it would have led us to terrific disaster. Any idea of united India could never have worked. So an idea, एक नज़रिया of united India, यूनाइटेड इंडिया का तसव्वुर या नज़रिया कुड नेवर हैव वर्क, इससे काम नहीं बन सकता था। एंड इन माई जजमेंट, और मेरे फैसले के मुताबिक, इट वुड हैव लेड अस टू टेरिफिक डिज़ास्टर, और ये हमें बहुत ज़्यादा तबाही की तरफ ले जाता। मे बी दैट व्यू इज़ करेक्ट, मे बी इट इज़ नॉट, दैट रिमेन्स टू बी सीन। हो सकता है ये ख़याल दुरुस्त हो या शायद ये ख़याल गलत हो, इसको हम छोड़ देते हैं एंड रिमेन टू बी सीन, और देखते हैं कि क्या होता है। ऑल द सेम, बिल्कुल इसी तरह, इन दिस डिवीजन इट वॉज़ इम्पॉसिबल टू अवॉइड द क्वेश्चन ऑफ माइनॉरिटीज़ बीइंग इन वन डोमिनियन और द अदर। इस तकसीम में अक़लियत के सवाल से एहतराज़ करना नामुमकिन था। सो in this division it was impossible to avoid the questions of minority. It was impossible to avoid the questions of minority, or to avoid them, or to avoid their responsibilities being in one dominion. एक रियासत में रहते हुए we cannot ignore minorities. Now that was unavoidable. So, and it is unavoidable. We cannot escape from it. There is no other solution. Now what shall we do? अब हमें क्या करना होगा? Now if we want to make this great state of Pakistan happy and prosperous. Prosperous means खुशहाल। अगर हम अपने पाकिस्तान को, इस रियासत को खुशहाल और खुश देखना चाहते हैं, वी शुड होली एंड सोली कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन द वेल बींग ऑफ द पीपल. सो वी हैव टू कम्प्लीटली, होली एंड सोली मीन्स कम्प्लीटली, कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन द वेल बींग फलाह बहबूद के लिए ऑफ पीपल, फलाह बहबूद के लिए काम करना होगा, एंड स्पेशली ऑफ द मासेस एंड द पुअर, और आम तौर पर आम लोगों और गरीबों की फलाह बहबूद पर तवज्जो देनी होगी. इफ़ यू विल वर्क इन कॉपरेशन ताउन के साथ, फॉरगेटिंग द पास्ट, अगर आप ताउन के साथ काम करें, माजी को भुला दें, बेरिंग द हैचेट, इख्तलाफात को ख़त्म कर देना. यू आर बॉर्न टू सक्सीड. सो कायदे आज़म इज़ ट्राइंग टू से टू द होल state in which there are minorities and majorities that the prosperity and the happiness of the state could be achieved if we concentrate on the well-being of the people, especially the masses and poor. If we work in cooperation, forgetting the past, wearing the hatches, तमाम इख्तलाफात को भुला दें, you are born to succeed. It is guaranteed that you will be succeeded. If you change your past and work together in a spirit that every one of you, no matter to what community he belongs, no matter what relation he had with you in the past, no matter what is his color, caste or creed, is first, second and last a citizen of the state with equal rights, privileges and obligations, there will be no end to the progress you will make. So there is a guideline for a successful state. If you change your past, अगर आप अपना माजी बदल लें, and work together in a spirit that every one of you, no matter to what community he belongs, it means that you work collectively, irrespective of your caste, creed, color and your differences. So what is the main point? That you are the citizen of the state with equal rights and privileges. Privileges means equal rights, मसावी हकूक़ के साथ, privileges तमाम बरात के साथ, and obligation जो फ़राइज़ आप पर आयद होते हैं. There will be no end to the progress you will make, और आप जो तरक्की करेंगे उसकी कोई इंतहा फिर नहीं होगी. If you work collectively. I cannot emphasize it too much. We should begin to work in that spirit, and in the course of time all these angularities of majority and the minority communities, the Hindu community and the Muslim community, because even as regards, I cannot emphasize it too much, I will not put stress on it. We should begin to work in that spirit. We should work in that spirit. इस जज्बे से काम करना होगा. And in the course of time, all these angularities, with the course of time, with the passage of time, all these angularities, all these differences, इख्तिलाफात of majority and minority communities, the Hindu community and the Muslim community will diminish. वक्त के साथ साथ तमाम माइनॉरिटी और मेजॉरिटी के जितने भी डिफरेंसेस हैं वो वक्त गुजरने के साथ ख़त्म हो जाएंगे. Because even as regards Muslim you have Pathans, so in Muslims you have Pathans, Punjabis, Shia, Sunnis and so on. And among Hindus you have Brahman, Vaishnavas, Kashtri and also Bengalis, Madrasis and so on will vanish. So your differences will vanish because Muslims have different creeds and caste. Muslim have different caste and creeds, and so with India. Indeed, if you ask me, this has been the biggest hindrance in way of India to attain freedom and independence. So according to Quaid-e-Azam, it was a great hindrance. Hindrance means rukavat. It was a great hindrance in the freedom and independence of India. Else we would have been a free people long ago. Else we would have been free people long ago. वरना हम बहुत पहले ही आज़ादी हासिल कर चुके होते या हम आज़ाद लोग होते. No power can hold another nation. कोई भी ताकत किसी दूसरी कौम को ग़ुलाम नहीं बना सकती है. Especially a nation of 400 million souls in subjugation. Nobody could have conquered you. कोई आप पे फ़तह हासिल नहीं कर सकता था, कोई आप पे गालिब नहीं आ सकता. And even if it had happened, अगर ऐसा हो भी जाता, nobody could have continued its hold on you for any length of time. अगर ऐसा हो भी जाता तो कोई आप पर ज़्यादा अरसे तक तसल्लुत ना कायम कर पाता. But for this, लेकिन यही वजह थी. What was the reason of there was hindrance in the attainment of freedom? Because there was so many caste system in Hindus and Muslims. There is majority and minority differences. So these differences delayed the process of independence, and it made a cause of differences in between two communities, majority and minority. Therefore, we must learn a lesson from this. So we have to learn a lesson from this. You are free. You are free to go to your temples. You are free to go to your mosques. You are or to any other place of worship in this state of Pakistan. So Quaid-e-Azam is declaring that every citizen of Pakistan is free to go to their temple, to their mosque or any other place of worship what they have. You may belong to any religion or caste or creed that has nothing to do with the business of the state. You may belong to any religion, mazhab, caste, किसी भी आप ज़ात से ताल्लुक़ रखते हो और क्रीड या किसी भी आप अक़ीदे से ताल्लुक़ रखते हो, इसका रियासत के मामलात से कोई ताल्लुक़ नहीं है. यू आर ऑल फ्री, देयर इज़ नो रिस्ट्रिक्शन रिगार्डिंग योर रिलीजन और योर कास्ट. Now I think we should keep that in front of us as our ideal, and you will find that in the course of time Hindus would cease to be Hindus and Muslims would be ceased to Muslim, not in the religious sense, but that is the personal faith of each individual, but in political sense as citizen of state. Now I think we should keep that in front of us as our ideal. ये हमें, मेरा ख़्याल है कि हमें इसको बतौर मिसाल सामने रखना होगा. दैट इन द कोर्स ऑफ टाइम, तुम देखोगे वक्त गुज़रने के साथ साथ हिंदूज़ वुड सीज टू बी हिंदूज़, हिंदू नहीं रहेंगे, एंड मुस्लिम सीज टू बी मुस्लिम, और मुसलमान नहीं रहेंगे. नॉट इन रिलीजियस सेंस, मजहबी लिहाज से बात नहीं की जा रही, बल्कि क्योंकि दैट इज़ द पर्सनल फेथ, क्योंकि वो हर इंसान का अपना ज़ाती अकीदा है ऑफ ईच इंडिविजुअल, बट इन द पॉलिटिकल सेंस एज सिटीज़न ऑफ स्टेट. सो ही इज़ टॉकिंग दैट there will be no difference among Hindus and Muslims as regarding political sense as citizen of state, बल्कि सियासी लिहाज से बात की जा रही है that they would be, with the passage of time, they would be soon, there will be no difference between Hindus and Muslims, and they will be the equal citizens of one state. Well, gentlemen, I do not wish to take up any more of your time. Gentlemen, हज़रात, मैं आपका और ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लूँगा. I do not wish to take up any more of your time. मैं आपका और ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लेना चाहूँगा. And thank you again for the honor you have done to me, the honor you have given to me. I shall always be guided by the principles of justice and fair play without any. I shall always be guided. हमेशा रहनुमाई करेंगे. Which will be guide, which two things will guide? So principles of justice and fair play. Principle of justice, इंसाफ, and fair play, सच्चाई, ये दोनों असूल कायद-ए-आज़म की रहनुमाई करेंगे. As is put in the political language, as is put in the political, is if he is saying the same thing in a political language, अगर वो सियासी ज़बान में बात करें, prejudice और ill will, prejudice तासुब, और ill will means किसी के लिए नफ़रत रखना, बुग़्ज़ रखना. in other words, partiality और favoritism. partiality अकरब परवरी और फेवरेटिज्म जानबदारी के बग़ैर. माई गाइडिंग प्रिंसिपल विल बी जस्टिस एंड कंप्लीट इम्पार्शलिटी. माई गाइडिंग प्रिंसिपल्स, मेरे रहनुमा असूल जो हैं वो हैं गैर जानबदारी एंड जस्टिस, इंसाफ. एंड आई एम श्योर दैट with your support and cooperation I can look forward to Pakistan becoming one of the greatest nations of the world. और आपके ताउन के साथ I can look forward, मैं बनता देख सकता हूँ पाकिस्तान को दुनिया के अज़ीम कौमों में से एक बेहतरीन कौम बनता हुआ देख सकता हूँ. The guiding principles of Qaid-e-Azam are justice and complete impartiality, and with the support of the masses he is saying that I can look forward to Pakistan becoming one of the greatest nations of the world. So this was all about Qaid-e-Azam's speech. Now coming to vocabulary. Abide by. Abide by means ataat karna, to tolerate, to put up with, to accept or submit, to comply with. Angularity, ikhtilafat, the state of being placed at an angle, difference, disparity, discrepancy. Appreciation, thanks or gratitude, and assessment of the truth worth of person and their actions and worth. किसी की हौसला अफजाई करना. Barrister. Barrister at law, a lawyer who has been called to the bar and is qualified to plead in the higher court. Champion. To support, himayat karna or defend a cause or an ideal. Contentious. Contentious means mutanaza, controversial, debatable, disputed, open to question. Cordially, dil se, warmly and amicably. Amicably means dostana तौर पर. Curse. Curse means लानत, बुरी चीज़, something that brings or cause great trouble or harm. Cyclonic, तूफानी, great, awesome and stormy like a cyclone, remarkable, momentous. Dominion. Self-governing division having its own rule of law and authority, or you can say a state, sultanate. Emphasize. To give emphasis or prominence to, underscore or highlight. Foremost, avaleen, first in the time, place or rank, chief, primary, principal. Give expression to. The choice of words, phrases, syntax, intonation to communicate one's ideals, feelings or emotion. Gravest. Superlative of grave, extremely serious, solemn, sanjida, of great significance. Hindrance, rukavat. An obstruction, obstacle, sang and impediment. Impediment. Impediment means mazahmat karna. Impartial. Not prejudiced against or towards any particular side or party. Fair, just and unbiased. Impartial means fair, just and unbiased, ghair janibdar. In vogue, a popular practice or fashion at a particular time. Vogue means चाल चलन में होना या तौर तरीका. Inclusive, comprehensive, considered together without exceptions. Inhabitants, rihaishi, permanent residents of particular place or region. Iron hand, harsh or rigorous control, firm, stern, strict. Stringent means shadid. Jobbery, the practice of making private, personal profit out of a public office through corruption or graft. Jobbery means rishwat satani or exploitation of position. Legacy means virasat, virsa, something handed down or received from an ancestors or predecessors. आपके आबा अजदाद से जब आपको कोई चीज़ मिलती है. Legislature, a body of person vested with the power to make. Vested, which is given to someone. Amend or repeal laws for the state. हामी भरना, repeal मनसूख करना, laws for state. Liberal, relating to or having social and political views that favor progress and reform, educating individual freedom, generous in temperament and behavior, tolerant of the views of others. Nepotism. Nepotism means favoritism shown to relatives or close friends by those with power or influence. Obligation, a moral or legal requirement, duty, agreement, bond, commitment, promise. Onerous means mushkil, laborious or oppressive, burdensome, demanding, difficult. Privileges, fundamental rights guaranteed to the citizens of a country by its constitution, a benefit or immunity granted in certain conditions. Privileges means maraat. Pronouncement, an official or authoritative statement or announcement. Secular, secular means dunyavi, ghair mazhabi, of or related to worldly things as opposite to the sacred, not concerned with or related to religion, not within the control of the church or religion. Sovereign, supreme in rank or authority, absolute, chief, dominant. Subjection, subjection means tabidari, the act process of bringing under control or authority. Temple, Hindu place of worship, a building or place dedicated to worship of deity or deities. Deity means devata. Huge, colossal, enormous, gigantic, massive. It means a thing which is very huge. To educate, himayat karna, to support or recommend it publicly, plead for, speak in favor of. Plead for, मुस्तरद करना और speak in favor of, किसी की हिमायत में बात करना. To bury the hatchet, to bury the hatchet, इख्तिलाफात ख़त्म करना. To cease hostilities, ceased ख़त्म करना. Hostilities means लड़ाई. And become reconciled or friends, दोस्त बन जाना. To countenance, to support or encourage. To sanction, to tolerate, to endure. To vanish, to disappear, especially suddenly or mysteriously, fade away. Unavoidable, that which cannot be avoided. Inevitable, certain, inescapable. Unprecedented, जिसकी मिसाल ना मिले. Having no precedent, unparalleled, exceptional, extraordinary, unrivaled. Utmost, of the greatest possible degree or amount. Verdict, a decision, judgment, or conclusion. Vision, the act, faculty, or an instance of great perception, especially of future development. Foresightedness, foresight, insight, intuition, or imagination. Activity is, you have to learn glossary of the text. Thank you.